The market now outpace new contracts. Data indicates this is off by 20%. It's Friday, May 27th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Showings also trended downwards at 66%. All markets combined, 1,441 properties are coming soon, falling further than the prior week. 1,327 are temporarily off the market, which reflects a slight rise from last week. 1,861 homes were listed for sale, reflecting a further increase in new listings to the market. 827 went under contract, which is up a bit. 1,519 went pending, which is a bit up from last week. 1,867 properties settled in 6 days at 102.4% list to sold ratio, on par with prior weeks. The highest sale over the past week was in Chevy Chase's Kenwood community for $4,975,000. On the rental front, inventory rose again this week to 1,118 rentals at a median $2,100 per month. Thinking about moving? Reach out to us to make it happen, and be sure to get our home buyers or home seller guides. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute for May 27th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.